Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well, guys. Now today I'm gonna do 5 things I love about my EP3 Type R. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Let's go.
Came back with a click clack, and a tick, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Right, the first thing I love about the Type R is that for a 15-year-old car, it's aged so well. The front end looks aggressive. Overall, the car I think is perfect. Honda have done a brilliant job of the way this car looks. And I've got to say, it's a Premier Edition. Right, so there's a few touches that I've done to make this car look the way it looks now. Starting off with the fins at the bottom. If you click up on the screen now, you'll see that video pop up. I've also got the HKS exhaust, black tints all around. I've also gone with the 20mm spacers at the front and back, and I think that has really made a huge difference on the vehicle. Moving on to the front of the car, I've put the red toe strap. So that is the first thing I love about this car. Now let's go to the heart and the engine. This is number 2 of what I like about my EP3. There we have it, the famous K20 NA naturally aspirated 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, pushing out 197 brake horsepower, revving up to 9,000 RPM with the famous VTEC. What VTEC is, I am going to show you later on the video, but this right here is the heart, the pride of this car. Guys, so for those who don't know what VTEC is and have always heard of VTEC, VTEC means variable valve timing and lift electronic control. What it does, it allows oil pressure to lift between different cam profiles at higher speeds. The cam profile allows greater valve lift, which allows more air into the cylinders, means more power. The third thing I love about my EP3 Type R is the way this car sounds. Now everybody's car sounds different. Like I said, I've got the HKS exhaust and I've also got the Teguo induction kit. And like I said, I'm not going to do no more talking. I'm going to let the sound do all the talking. Fourth thing I love about my EP3 is the way this car drives. It's very raw, very direct, and you know, it's all hands on deck. You have to do everything. There's no electronics to help you out. There's none of that rubbish, and that's what makes this car so fun to drive. Number 5 on my list is the running cost of this car and the maintenance. It's not that expensive to run, it's not that expensive to maintain as well. Parts are everywhere for these cars, and like I said, servicing is not that expensive and the car gets serviced regular. So there were 5 things that I love about my EP3 Type R. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've got to say, I love being an owner of an EP3 Type R. I absolutely love it. It puts smiles on my face every single day. So guys, there we have it, 5 things I love about my Ep3 Type R. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to say a Merry Christmas to everybody. Stay safe guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, and I'll see you soon.